If your car runs poorly after cleaning the throttle body, that does not mean you damaged the car. In many cases, the problem is not the cleaning solution, and it is not a failed throttle body. There is an old trick that experienced mechanics still use, and it often helps the car run normally again very quickly without replacing or repairing anything. Even if you did everything correctly, used the correct cleaner, did not remove any components. But when you restart the engine, the car begins to shake. The idle speed becomes unstable and throttle response feels slower than before. At this point, many people panic and think they have damaged the throttle body. In this video, I will help you understand why this happens, when a very simple action is all it takes to restore normal operation and when you should not continue vmishing to avoid causing more serious damage. Do not rush to take the car to a repair shop. Do not rush to replace the throttle body. In many cases, the problem is not the throttle body itself, but the fact that the system has not been reset and relearned after cleaning. Before you take out your wallet, stay until the final tip. The old trick that mechanics still use may fix this faster than you think. Why does the car run poorly? Before cleaning, the throttle body had adapted to a dirty condition. The engine control system memorized the old throttle opening angle, the old airflow amount, the old idle speed. When you clean the throttle body, the amount of air entering the engine changes immediately. But the ECU continues to control the engine using the old data. The result is incorrect throttle response, fluctuating idle speed, vehicle shaking, or sluggish performance. This is not a mechanical failure, and it does not mean the throttle body is bad. The real issue is that the vehicle has not been reset and relearned the throttle position after cleaning. That is why the old trick coming next can solve this problem very quickly. And if you have ever cleaned the throttle body, or you are not fully confident that you followed every step correctly, you should also watch the video, Throttle Body Cleaning, Gone Wrong. Stop before you damage your engine. That video will help you avoid very common mistakes when cleaning the throttle body. Understand the correct and safe cleaning procedure for your vehicle. The video link is included in the description below. Now, let us move on to Tip 1, Basic Key Reset. Applies to most vehicles when there is no warning light. Turn the engine completely off and remove the key. Wait about 10 seconds, insert the key again and turn it to the on position. Do not start the engine. Slowly press the accelerator pedal all the way down over 4 seconds. Hold it for 3 seconds. Then slowly release the pedal over 4 seconds. Repeat this procedure 3 times in a row. Do it slowly, smoothly, and without rushing. Turn the key off and remove it. Wait another 10 seconds. Start the engine again and observe. If throttle response is smoother and idle speed is more stable, the reset was successful. Tip 2. Battery reset. Use this when method 1 does not work. Turn the engine off and open the hood. Disconnect the negative battery terminal, the black terminal. Wait 5 to 10 minutes. Reconnect the negative terminal and tighten it securely. Turn the key to the on position without starting the engine. Wait until the dashboard warning lights finish their self-check. Start the engine and let it idle for 10 to 15 minutes. Do not press the accelerator pedal. This is when the ECU relearns new data after the throttle body has been cleaned. Important notes. Do not perform these steps if the battery is weak. Do not press the accelerator repeatedly while the vehicle is relearning. If the vehicle still shakes heavily or shows warning lights, only then should you perform deeper diagnostics. In many cases, simply following these steps correctly will restore normal operation without replacing any parts. There is one more reset trick that mechanics use quite often, especially on older vehicles or cars that do not respond to the 2 methods above. Tip 3. Idle. Relearn without using the accelerator. An old trick that is often overlooked. This method applies when the vehicle has no warning lights. The throttle body has already been cleaned. The vehicle shakes or has an uneven idle. The first 2 reset methods only slightly improved the condition or did not fully fix it. Steps to perform. Make sure the engine is completely cold. Do not do this while the engine is still hot. Start the engine and do not press the accelerator. Let the vehicle idle. Keep it in this state for 10 to 15 minutes. Do not turn on the air conditioning. Do not turn on the lights. Do not apply any electrical load. During this time, idle speed may fluctuate slightly. This is the ECU relearning the idle control. After 10 to 15 minutes, turn the engine off. Wait about 30 seconds. Restart the engine and check. Many vehicles become completely stable after this step, especially older vehicles, or vehicles with slower ECU response. Important notes. Do not press the accelerator during the relearn process. Do not shut the engine off midway out of impatience. If after this step the vehicle still shakes heavily or shows warning lights, only then should deeper checks be performed, such as the MAF sensor vacuum, leak spark plugs, ignition coils, oxygen sensors, fuel filter, and fuel injectors. If the first two methods only partially improve the condition, let the vehicle relearn idle on its own. This is an old trick many mechanics still use, but very few people talk about it. A customer brought in a vehicle that was shaking and had an unstable idle right after cleaning the throttle body at home. He said that before cleaning the car only had slight throttle delay, but after cleaning the shaking became more noticeable and very uncomfortable while stopped. Another shop advised him to replace the throttle body, claiming that the throttle body was damaged. We did not replace anything. We only performed a quick inspection, reset the system correctly, and let the vehicle idle, relearn for about 15 minutes. After that, the vehicle ran smoothly again with stable idle speed and smooth throttle response like before. No parts replaced, no repair costs, just the correct steps in the right order. If your vehicle runs poorly after cleaning the throttle body, do not immediately assume you damaged the car. Try the reset and relearn steps in this video before taking the vehicle to a repair shop. And if you want to know when a throttle body is truly bad and the mistakes that make cleaning cause worse performance, watch the video, Throttle Body Cleaning Gone Wrong. I have placed the link right below in the video description. Watching that video first may help you avoid an unnecessary repair bill.